Here is how to scrape Fiverr reviews and a list with no coding knowledge. For this we'll need the Fiverr scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next press reviews and a list. As you can see, we extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, simply press show more reviews. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scope for you and add it to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now head to the settings. Then press on Store Data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Reviews in the list. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can extract some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I'll export as HTML. After exporting, here is the data we extracted.